But next on East Midlands today, a Nottinghamshire man who is accused of being one of the world's biggest drug traffickers has given evidence at his trial in Paris.
Robert Dawes from Sutton in Ashfield was secretly recorded bragging about importing cocaine. But he said that wasn't true and it was just a ploy to prove the police were bugging him. Well, our social affairs correspondent, Jeremy Wool, can tell us more. Good evening. So how was Robert Dawes recorded?
Well, this is starting to sound like a plot from a spy thriller, isn't it? He was secretly filmed by the Spanish police meeting a Colombian business associate at a hotel, and they recorded him claiming that he was the owner of well over a ton of cocaine. Now, he was talking about these drugs that were seized in Paris after arriving in 30 suitcases on a flight from Venezuela. Robert Dawes has told the trial he was bragging. It was just a script, a ploy, he said, to get arrested in an attempt to stop what he described as heavy-handed surveillance. And in fact, he said they deliberately sat near a plant which had a hidden microphone in it.
So what's his explanation then for what he was doing?
Well, he says that in reality he had nothing to do with these drugs, he's not connected with the other men on trial with him, and that he was actually running legitimate businesses in things like furniture and property. He was asked in court, though, why he never explained that secret recording to investigators. He said that was because his own lawyers had told him to remain silent while they tried to prove that he'd been recorded illegally. That challenge, though, failed because of another twist in this case, because it's now emerged in court that one of their documents was forged.
But it has emerged, or the trial's been told, that Robert Dawes was a major drugs player. Yeah,
evidence in this trial from Britain's National Crime Agency that he was a big fish, as they put it, right at the top of the international drugs trade. They also said he'd been accused of ordering a murder out in the Netherlands. And then those extraordinary allegations when he was arrested 3 years ago, when the Spanish Civil Guard claimed that Robert Dawes ran Europe's largest crime group dedicated to drug trafficking, money laundering and murder. They accused him of dealing with the Italian mafia too. And of course, Robert Dawes has also been named in some of Nottinghamshire's biggest drugs trials. He, though, says that these claims simply aren't true.
Well, we'll see what happens, I guess.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jeremy.